Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to select who can contact you on Snapchat. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. And first I need to open up Snapchat application. Here I need to tap on my profile icon at the top left. Then I need to tap on the gear icon right here. And then I need to find privacy controls block. Here it is, and there I can see the first feature. It's contact me. I'll just tap on it, and here I can select between two options: who can contact me on Snapchat, everyone or just my friends. Now my friends options is selected. I can change it to everyone, and now all the persons can contact me with snaps, chats, calls, etc. So now you know how to simple change who can contact you on Snapchat. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.